Hello Kun, how are you?
Hello, I'm good.
What are you doing?
I'm doing my Nexo legs, and this is breaking the ball joint, the double ball joint 2x2.
Where's the other one? Oh, it breaks also, yeah.
Yes.
So which part is that white?
This one is my Nexo pot. This is my previous Nexo pot
Oh,
that I buy.
yeah.
And I got this Nexo pot is on my hole, so I got the helmet piece, the shoulder piece, the leg armor piece. So I'm going to rebuild it as I don't have this 2x2 ball joint part that gray color, so I used the brown one. So I'm going to let off the leg, and then the ball joint is coming out
It's
from the breaking. Yeah,
broken.
it's breaking.
It's breaking.
So
Do you think we have another one?
yeah, I think we have another one.
We can build with a technic brick. I think.
Yes.
Technic brick how? You tell me.
2x2 and
No, should we use the 1x1
the 1x1 with the
axle?
axle.
Yeah, then
Then axle and the ball with
Yeah.
the X.
yeah, you put you
and
see?
I put it
How?
to the
Yeah, okay.
axle part.
Yeah. Okay, you go and take the parts. Okay. So what's taking you so long? Found the part already? Yeah.
So
What part do you bring for us?
the 1x2 with axle of them,
Okay, come. Bring
then
it
the
down.
ball.
Come, run.
Run.
Run. I was thinking it was singing. Okay. Explain to us.
So this is how you put it in. First you got the 1x2 with axle. Put the 1x5.
What axle is that? What axle is that?
The 1x2.
What
This
axle
is
is-
axle 5.
Axle 5, yeah.
And put another 1x2.
Yeah.
And then I need this ball.
Let me look at the ball, this one. Look at the ball. Okay, with the axle hold it. Okay.
Here I'm gonna put this down. This, as you can see, is 2x2,
Yeah.
and this is the double axle. So I'm gonna put this thing
Yes, in the middle.
in the middle of the butt, like that.
Yeah.
And then put the
Okay. Okay, so you can continue building. So where's the broken piece? Can you tell us again? And
this ball.
okay. Yes, fragile, yeah. Now it
Yes.
become stronger. Okay. Okay.
Bye YouTube. See you on my next video. Bye
Thanks.
everybody. Bye
Thanks for
friends.
watching.
Thank you for watching.
You've done everything now.
Yeah.
All done. Post robot.
Yes. Need one more piece here.
What piece?
Okay.
That piece. Ah.
The small attachment.
Oh,
So
oh
it's
no
gonna
wonder
be-
it looks
oh.
one leg shorter. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, no wonder it looks one leg shorter.